Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Botani into zakuthi ndifuna nje ke sithethe nje ngento ezimbalwa okanye masithethe nge-issue eyi-one, in fact, that of foreign nationals once again. Recently I just spoke with someone endixelela uba the economic freedom fighters yiyo yodwa efuna okanye fighting for African unity okanye United Africa. And then I took the liberty of reminding this person yoba makhe sibuye umva. I-ANC yaformishwa ngo-1912 on the 8th of January. And at that time, ibisaziwa njenge South African Native National Congress. And then go 1923, they changed their name to the ANC. And the primary purpose of forming the organization was to unite African people, not South African people, African people. Yeah, but it's important, but we get our facts from the correct sources. Yabona today wokumuntu oxelela uba United Africa is a dream that is impossible okanye into efunwa i-EFF, that person is lost. And one of izinto edaba abantu balahleka apha emhlabeni, it's the likes of Ongizwe, it's the likes of Phakelo Mthakathi nala gqiyazana le March and March. Aba bantu, they don't take time to research. Because let me tell you something, which we as namhlanje. The ANC alone was formed primarily okanye for the primary purpose of uniting Africa from Cape to Cairo. Yabona khawukuyomamela nje our national anthem ithi inkosi sikelele iAfrica, ayithi inkosi sikelele iSouth Africa. So masiyeke kuba ignorant, masiyeke ukuba ngabantu who are lazy to think. Ento zikhona apha readily available, but people don't read. That's the main thing. And abafundi abantu bafuna ufunda izi-data zongizwe pha, bafuna umamela ungizwe bayithuka abantu. And that is not going to take us anywhere. However, United Africa, Jongo, recently citizens from Lesotho bazokwazi ukungena South Africa only nge-ID, and nathi the same. That is another step towards United Africa. But because abantu are so slow, ngale yabayazi ungayobuza uPhakelo Mthakathi ngongalonto uzokuthiwa khamisi. And we are forming ties within Nigeria. And kungekudala, there's going to be free movements of people and goods between our countries. So I don't understand the part yoba kuthiwa kuthiwa ntoni le si-treat foreign nationals kanje as though ngabantu aba efanele ba-alienate okanye abantu abafanele. We can not be antagonistic in approach kuba bantu aba, because they are part of us. And for your own information, if we can go back in history, we'd understand that most of abantu who are in the African continent, ikhona indlela somewhere somehow abafike sidibane khona because of wars bezenzeka and all of that. Abantu abanye baya basuka eSouth Africa and ran to the neighboring countries. Because of the apartheid system, they ran to neighboring countries. And some of them had children, they started families and all of that. So whether we like it or not, umuntu waseZimbabwe ngowalapha eSouth Africa. Because of that simple fact, yoba baya bafika pha baqala families. Abanye they settled there, abanye bazalwe sebepha, but xa trace back origin yabo, you'd find yoba aba bantu ngabalapha eSouth Africa. Because the next thing also yibona ngo kwabangizwe benu izawuphela le yento you have foreign nationals, Nigerians, Zimbabweans, and all you name them. Bazoqala bahlale babe nesithukuthezi. And xa babe nesithukuthezi bathe lamampondo la asihlupha la. Because sebenjalo already. You can see the way they talk about Amashangani and all of that. Yabona ngoku basamandelwe nje ila crowd and all of that. But naseziphelile ngoyonke lento bazoqala apha bavuse la moya wenkatho wawukhona wethanda between inkatha and ANC, because that war, whether we like it or not, it was not between imibutho, but it was between two Xhosa nomZulu in the main. So masiyeke ukuba misled and misguided and misinformed, but make sifunde nyani ba really it is not the EFF ethetha into United Africa. It is the ANC. And the ANC was formed to unite abantu abamnyama, Africans in particular. So andiyaba nina nithatha phi ngole nithetha ba into ize nomali. And uMalema is not akangorhulumente. Kutheni ngayipha kuRamaphosa? Xa ninengxaki ne-national foreign nationals. Why niya kulo mntu? Niza kulo mzi nicimba unazinja. Aneyipha abakufela ithole khona.
Starting off a video with these words is still the equivalent of, I'm not racist, but I'm actually talking to you as a white elder who's trying to take responsibility for you, because I get it. Our elders never did that because they themselves never understood this properly. You mentioned our grandfathers sinning. Noble. But it doesn't exempt us. It actually makes us accomplices to the greatest crime against humanity in history. Then asking black people to stop stepping on our necks, and that's audacious. I mean, that metaphor? Truly. When in fact, people of color have been stepped on for centuries. Every person of color in this country has a story of violence, of denigration, humiliation, exploitation, abuse suffered at the hands of white people. You mentioned wanting to fix things. Okay, that's going to cost us something real. Are you willing to pay that? Actually give back the land? Actually balance the scales economically and morally? Because what this video actually boils down to is you not wanting to feel uncomfortable with what our ancestors did and how you and I still benefit from it today, quietly. And that's what you ask of people of color is, let me quietly keep benefiting at your expense, whilst you have to live and remember all the horrors that we did to you. Now, I've actually prepared the description for you or any other white that actually wants to read it, explaining the psychology behind what you are doing right now, because it's the same bullshit I was trying to pull back in the day before I started taking responsibility for this. All the science is there, all the tools that you'll actually need. It's just you need to go and sit and say, okay, I am not a saint, but it's not going to kill me either to admit that I am a part of the great darkness pretending to be the light.
This one for me, I don't think it's something that need a critical thinking, because when you check in our national anthem, we do not say Nkosi Sikelel' South Africa, we say Nkosi Sikelel' Africa, which means it's the whole continent. We include everything. This man right here is telling the truth. I never thought about it in that way. To say, okay, why do we sing our national anthem and just say Africa? But now these March and March are actually in a mission of dividing the African continent, like South Africa, from other African countries. And when these people talk about this whole thing about foreigners, they always include Julius Malema. And for me, I think Julius Malema has nothing to do with this. Even your own leader is standing with Africa. He does travel all over South Africa. I mean, all over African countries. He does travel. He do have good relationships with other countries as well. African countries, by the way. Which for me, I feel like this whole match and match is just, I don't know. I think this energy should be directed to the leader, to the president, yes, so that at least he can provide the jobs. He's the only one who can do that. Provide jobs for the unemployed youth, for those that are not working, and do something to eliminate high crime rate in the country. But anyway, please say your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think?